All right, in this section, we're going to talk about the ticket scanner. If you remember correctly, for every single event that we meticulously create, we will ultimately get one. We receive a PDF email and we provide these email details to them. So we say, for example, you have these details you need to enter at this time. Here is your seat number and your details. We also have a QR code here that can be scanned and invalidated. This means you can log in as a scanner, use this plugin, scan the webability that the customer gives you and invalidate it so that the customer can't use this ticket with this serial number to enter 10 times. So when you enter this serial number, you can either invalidate this ticket, see that it has been invalidated, or check its invalidation status. This way, you'll know that this ticket has been invalidated and you shouldn't allow the person holding this ticket to enter anymore. Now, what you need to do is first create a user account. Name this user Scanner. Of course, you can choose any name you like. It doesn't matter. For my scanner, I'll name it TavTheme as well. .com. And I'll set the password too. It's just scanner as well. And here I'll set their user role. Ticket scanner. All right, I'll add this user now. Now we have one scanner here. Let's go to the event where we want to give our scanner access. For example, this event, let me refresh this event once. Here's the name of that scanner. The name of the user we created as a scanner will appear here. We can select this as the scanner and click update. After it's updated, refresh the page once. So you'll see that it's registered here as a scanner. Now what we need to do is go to settings using this link. We give this link to the person who is going to be our scanner. For example, they're definitely going to log in with their phone. So after logging in with their phone, they can see this page where we can give them the email and details so they can enter them and log in. After they do this, they'll see a page like this. If they are on a mobile device, they can simply tap the Start Camera button to instantly open their phone's integrated camera application. So they open their phone's camera. Naturally, they can scan the email that the customer has shown them on their phone. But since we can't scan this and we're discussing this on a computer, I'll just take this ID. What is this ID? This ID appears after you scan this QR code, this ID. This ID will show up here in this section. So it gets registered here automatically. And this event, well, its name is test, and we've assigned it to this user. This ID, this event, and after it's scanned here, the serial number of that ticket will appear here, and it's enough to just click the validate button. If that email exists or if that scan or ticket exists, it will be scanned. So after it's scanned, the ticket status here becomes inactive. The result is marked as success, and the date and all other details are recorded for it. And basically, this ticket is now void. If someone tries to scan this ticket again, well, I'll copy it again, come here and paste it here. If it's scanned and validated again, your customer or the person scanning the ticket for you will get this error. It says that you have already scanned this ticket on this date and at this time. So this is one of the really great features of this plugin. And if you log in as a manager, if I, as the manager, enter this event, I can see in my own list the list of people who are members of this event that this ticket, this serial, has checked in and entered. Seat 78 has entered, and well, the ticket should basically be deactivated now. This was also one of the sections that we definitely needed to talk about, and here you can very easily validate your tickets, scan them, and make sure who has entered and is sitting in which seats. For example, I come and scan this ticket again. If I hit validate again, this ticket will also be added here, and all I need to do is refresh once more. And as you can see, this ticket has also been added for this seat. It's that simple. So this was the scanner section that we needed to talk about. We have voided these tickets. Another very important section that you should know about is that we have a dedicated page for each ticket. which displays the ticket details to the customer. In addition to the email being sent, your customer can scan this URL and QR code to view this page. Now, I've placed the link to this page here for you, so you can bring it up here and instead of this code, manually enter it, or if you scan it automatically, you'll see this page right away. This is the page that shows the ticket details to your customer, but this particular ticket is active. If the ticket has been successfully scanned and processed, even the customer themselves can conveniently view all of these scanned details by simply scanning the unique QR code on their physical ticket. See right here, it clearly indicates that you have already used this specific ticket. This usage occurred precisely on this particular date, and as a result, you can no longer gain entry into that designated hall. It's that simple. So basically, this QR code has two uses. For the person who is the scanner at your venue, it helps them verify the customer. They can see whether this customer, this person entering the hall has already entered before or not. For your valued customer, it effectively shows them a comprehensive summary of their purchase ticket. This can be incredibly effective and beneficial both for your esteemed customer who is attending the event and for the dedicated person standing attentively at the entrance of the hall, diligently scanning tickets with their mobile phone or other scanning device.